we're going to make cakes. We got a chocolate cake and a pineapple cake, and I'm going to split these videos up. This is going to be the chocolate cake, so let's get the baking today. The first thing we're going to do, we cheat and we make a box cake because it works the best. So we need 1 cup of water, 1/4 of a cup of vegetables oil, and 3 eggs. Let's get the baking. So these are our pans that we use. I've had them for years. One set was my granny's and one set she gave to me. So we have to prep these so they don't stick. So let's get to prepping. So to prep it, we use cooking spray and flour. So let me show you how you do this. So you're going to take your pan. You're going to spray it really good. And make sure you have, so I make sure I have another one and I spray it. Make sure you get the sides real good. And then we take some flour and you just take a pinch of it and then you put it in there like so. And then you're going to cook nicely. Make sure you do this side. You don't want it all to be the same. And then I beat it on that one and that one's done. So now we got to separate this into 7 of these to make really thin layers because we're making a 7-layer chocolate cake, and that's how we do it the easy way. So this is my favorite part because you got to take this and you got to get it all even all around the pan. So we just watch it fall. One thing you want to do is get all your air bubbles out, and this is the trick my granny taught me. You want to drop it evenly just like that, and then you're ready to cook. You're going to check them. So what you do is you take a toothpick on your hot pan, pull them out of your, they need a few more minutes, and if it comes out on it like that, it's not ready yet. It should be clear, ready to eat. They should be a little bit more golden brown than they are. That's how you check them. Now that we got all our layers cooked, now it's the time we're going to cook this chocolate. And let me tell you, this chocolate is going to try your patience. I promise you, if you don't know Jesus, you might want to go find him now, because it's going to press your patience. You do have to put 2.5 cups of sugar. And then we take a cup of milk, and make sure you use whole milk. Doesn't do right with any other kind. Pour that in there. And then you take 1.5 cup of butter. I normally stick mine in the microwave and get it a little softened because it was in the freezer. And then you need just a little bit of salt. And then we need a 1/3 cup of cocoa. And then we're going to add 1/3 of cocoa. And that's what's going to make it chocolatey. And then you will turn it down, mix it all up, and bring it to a bowl and let it boil for 2 minutes straight. I'm telling you, it's going to. So now that it's at a fast boil, you let it boil for 2 minutes, and then you're going to mix it. And this is when we're going to add in the vanilla. Alright, now that it's done boiling and our 2 minutes is up, you're going to take the vanilla and 1 teaspoon. You know, put it in there and then put like half that teaspoon. Put that in there, and then you're going to carefully, your beater, and beat it till it's nice and smooth. So now that we got it cooked, we got it beaten, we're going to put it in the fridge for it to chill for a while, because you want to apply it when it's cold, because it'll thicken up. But as you use it, it's going to come back loose. So that's why I said it tries your patience, because you got to continue working with it before it'll harden. So into the fridge it goes. Okay, now that it's cooled mostly, it's a little hard. Now it's time to assemble. And I try to pick like the low one for the bottom, and then we build up. It's not gonna be pretty, but it works. I'm not a pretty cake maker. So you take that, and then you just start adding the chocolate, like so. I want to go get that layer done. So then what we do is we try to make it as level as possible. Sometimes it don't work. And then you want to make sure you put one up. Switch them back and forth, and we just add our layers and add the chocolate. And you want to do this 7 more times.